Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. So first of all, thank you so much for showering love on the video that I created on how to prepare practical subjects, and I hope that my video and my content is helping you in preparing the exams. So I am here on your request only on how to revise practical subjects. But before that, if you're someone viewing me for the first time, hi, I'm CS Jaspreet. I post a motivational video on Monday, a work study planning tips video on Wednesday, and a fun video on Saturday like this one. So welcome back to another special fun Saturday video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and feel free to check the content I create, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's completely free, and hit the bell icon right next to it so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified. So how to revise practical subjects? I have already told you how to prepare it. So now I will be telling you how to revise it. I'll be telling you 5 effective tips on how you can revise the practical subjects. So do watch the video till the end and note down the points. Trust me, they'll help you in clearing the exams. The first tip is start with revising important concepts. Now, like I told you in the preparation video, that do focus on the concepts. So before revising, don't just jump onto the questions. Firstly, revise the important concepts. Like whatever concepts you've studied, whatever things you have studied, start with revising that, right? Don't just jump onto the questions, but start from revising the important concepts. Like I told you, to write all the formulas, all the concepts at one place. So from that one place, start your revision before jumping to the questions for any topic you're revising. Start with giving it a read. That way it'll be really helpful to you. Second tip is practice important or unique questions. Now, from every concept, there are few questions that are very important, or rather we call them different or unique. That means it has a kind of concept which is different from others. It has a kind of concept is not incorporated in all the questions, and that concept could be asked. So make sure that while revision, you always practice the questions that are given with different or unique concepts that have something very catchy or something very different from the normal questions that you feel like I should revise once, so that in case the same concept is asked in the exam, I would be able to answer that. And we all know such questions, so it is always advisable that while preparing also you mark such questions, right? Because at the end it'll be very difficult for you to find out which is an important question and which is less important question. So it is always advisable to tick or mark at the time of preparation and practice at the time of revision. The third tip is do 1 or 2 questions of every topic. Now, please, at the time of revision, don't practice all the questions like I told you at the time of preparation, because see, revision time is so less. You have to revise quickly so that you can actually jump to the other subjects as well. So it is advisable for every topic, because whether it's your study material or whether it's your reference books, you will see that many questions are being repeated. They are duplicated just for your practice. The whole purpose of putting repeated questions or same concept question is that you practice a lot. But at the time of revision, you need not do all those things. You just have to do 1 or 2 questions from a relevant topic. Like from one topic, do 1 or 2 questions so that you get the gist of the topic, or what actually the concept is saying and how I can actually apply it. So it is very important that please don't practice all the questions, but practice all the topics through 1 or 2 questions. Fourth tip is look for the best presentation of the answer. Now, in case you are a CS student and you are going to look for MCQ paper, then you don't need to follow this tip. But if you are a CA student, you really need to look for this tip, because as in practical subjects, we have to formulate the working notes, how it has to be formulated in tabular forms, because you must be knowing that every step is being marked. So to get good marks, you should know the presentation also. The best way is to actually refer the study material, how they are creating working notes, how they are writing, if they are writing anything special underneath any question, or what kind of tabular format they are using. Pay attention to all these teeny tiny details at the time of revision also, so that when you're going to sit in the exam, you get full marks. In case, even if your ultimate answer is not right, at least you get step marks, at least you get full marks for whatever you have done, like your working notes are complete, your explanation is complete, and the examiner gives you good marks, so that you get full marks for whatever you attempt, whatever you write, like step marking, working notes, and the formats, they should be correct, so that the examiner could not deduct your marks from that point of view. And fifth tip is revise the theory of every chapter at the end. Now you can revise the theory through highlighting the concepts, like when you were reading it or preparing it, or through your own created short notes or summaries. They are the best if you want to prepare the theory, because that way you know what is important and how much I have to learn. Other than that, if you're not good at making notes, then you can definitely look for your friends' notes, ask from your friends, and of course you should look for good notes. You can ask your friends for that, or if not, then you can look for an app called Krayonnz app, and their students actually upload their notes to help others, so you can go and check the app. The app link and the referral code is given in the description box below. If you want to check, that's a very nice app. You can go and give it a watch. Because like I told you in the earlier video, the theory is very important. Please don't skip the theory. Don't leave the theory. So try your level best that you actually prepare and revise the theory with its best, because trust me, whether it's MCQ or descriptive paper, theory will actually help you clear the practical exam very smoothly and very easily. So I would say that don't underestimate the power of a theory. So these were my 5 tips to revise practical subjects. I hope just like you loved the video for preparing practical subjects, you would like this video as well. Do hit the like button if you really like the video. Share my videos with your friends as well, so that they could also get a good guidance from my end, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. And this video's shout out goes to Harshita Jhavar. Thank you so much, Harshita, for letting me know that you're not only listening to the tips and tricks that I'm providing, but also noting them down. Thank you so much once again. And if you want a shout out from me, it's pretty easy. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. Maybe you get a shout out from me in my next video. So I'll see you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep the preparations on. Bye.